Uh, what was that dream? Okay. Mom, Dad. Where is everybody? I'm gonna go check. Maybe they're just giving me a surprise, you know. Mom, walk back. Let me go in. What? Where is everyone? Well, the smell stinks, but anyway. Knock knock. No one here? Are you kidding me? Oh, no one's here. Even the baby's not here. Not in the kitchen. Whatever. What is this mirror? Come closer. If I'm overreacting, come closer. No, I'm not coming closer. Come closer. Okay. Oh my god. What in the world? Is there like a secret path there? This. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back. Come closer. Yeah, more. Come closer. Now it sounds like a grandma. Come closer. Okay. Hop in. What's in the world? Okay, I'm gonna hop in. No, I can't do this. Wait a minute. Hop. God, it's not working for me. Wait. Hop. Wee! What the heck is this place? It's so dark out here. What? Okay. This place is weird. Let me go. Come closer. Oh my god. I forgot to get my things. Now I'm disconnected from Mom. Seriously. What an nauseous day. Come closer. Okay. Close the door. Okay. Come here. Hi. What? You scared me, girl. I'm sorry? Yeah, you better be. Can you show your face? Oh, of course I can. What the heck? Wow. I'm gonna wipe this on. Are you looking at me? Okay. Just follow me. Okay. Near the campus. Okay. Now, what do you do? I have exclusive systems. Like, for example, the family. Yeah. Okay, so how's that place that I give about? Yeah, be out of here! Okay. You have to find the best choice. They're all around where I go. Okay. Wait. Fine. I don't know what that girl says, but I just want my phone for that. Whoa. Okay, so I'm back at the place here. Okay, so how am I gonna find these crystals? Knock. Oh, wait. Have you seen any crystals? Yeah, you have to find them between all of this. Yeah, you have to do that. Okay. There it is. Bye-bye. Have good luck with that. Hey, non. Who are you? Make me a dance. You can get those. And why would you expect me? Wait. Do it or else I'm gonna... No. That's what I thought. Oh. Okay. Oh, well that was easy. How in the world am I gonna carry these? I'm gonna carry all of this in here. Now, can do this. So I'm gonna add these here. And yeah. Let's go. Oh, they could pass. Okay. Now I have to go. Okay, so here I am. Hi. Hi. I got the crystals. Oh, you can get some now. But they're gonna act a bit different. Okay. Come on. Yeah, you come on, you girls. Okay. So, Mom, do you like this? What are you talking about, girl? Get away. Hey, yeah, you two, get out of my face. Lee, shut up. What? Okay, so that was the girl. I'm gonna change the mirror from the drawer one. There we go. Hi, Mom. Oh, hi, sweetie pie. What's wrong, Mom? She's out of her mind. Yeah, what do you mean about that? Okay.